Shalom, I'm Yahshua Israel of Israel United in Christ here in Phoenix, Arizona. We are a nonviolent, Bible-based organization that is committed to the healing and reconnecting of the Black, Hispanic, and Native American communities. Here at Israel United in Christ, you will discover with proof and historical facts that we are indeed the chosen people of the Bible. You will discover the prophecies that foretell that the so-called Blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans were given holy names by God, but have been taken and replaced names like Rodriguez, Gonzalez, Smith, and Brown. You are not Negroes, wetbacks, or savages. Instead of hating one another and continuing the division amongst us, we must work together against the forces of oppression that have put us in prison houses, placed drugs in our communities, and left us with single-parent homes and hopelessness. We are now forced to depend on a nation to save us when they were the ones that enslaved us. It's time for us to join together under God's laws and get back to our original state, royalty. We are more than just leaders of our community. We are fathers, uncles, brothers, mothers, aunts, and sisters. We believe in the family unit that God established. We promote order. We promote unity of our people, which has been lacking amongst us. Our mission is to remind the so-called Blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans their true identity according to God, and to offer biblical solutions to the perpetual oppression that we face every day. We must rise up together as one community and come back to God's laws. That is where our salvation lies. The writing's on the wall. We are a people not desired. They hunt our steps. They shoot us down in the streets and while we sleep in our beds, holding themselves not guilty. On behalf of IUIC Phoenix, I'm inviting you to our school so that you can learn and remember who you are. So join us today. You can call or email us with the information at the bottom of the screen. We are happy to answer any questions you may have. And welcome home.